Toast up.
You could have 2, 3. DC
Stay through them hard times like
I probably wonder like what the heck is going on. Yeah, I finally made it to the airport and I couldn't even record before because it's like literally it was so much going on, but I'm in the airport and like on the way to Miami. Y'all know we gotta get a little snack before we get on the plane. Somebody going off on over there, y'all, but I'm nosy and I can't see who, but I don't know what I want. I think I might just go with the I don't know if I want no candy. I do want me a drink. Got to have you a drink. I'm gonna go ahead and get us a vitamin water because it's gonna be a lit weekend, so I need to get them vitamins in. You feel me? You feel me? But yeah, I got my little snack. I'm gonna get back with y'all again when I get on the plane. So y'all, I made it to Miami, and y'all, it was a hassle, y'all. The flight was okay, but literally it was somebody and baby crying like anyway. But anyway, y'all, I'm in Miami. I'm probably about to go ahead and end this vlog right here because I'm waiting on my ride to come get me from the airport. But I'm probably gonna go ahead and end it right here. Next time y'all see me, I will be at my brother's celebration of life. So y'all stay tuned for that. So yeah.
Oh. Ain't you hosting it?
Why did you use my power?
This is Josh.
Toast up.
You could have used both of your brother 25th on the 24th. So on the count of 3, we gonna say DC4L. 1, 2, 3. DC4L.
My dog Jada right here.
Yeah. Yeah. Period. Kids want to do it 10 times.
Yeah, nigga.
Yeah. Rap this song bring back. This song bring back. My cousin. Hey y'all. Oh, gang. This is my cousin. Yeah.
We're here to show some love to Ty. So on the count of 3, we gonna sing happy birthday. I know the vibes already. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. There you go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Tyler. Happy birthday to you. Showing love today, somebody take a shot.
It's a vlog. It's a vlog. Y'all say what's up. Say what's up to the vlog. Say what's up to the vlog. Yeah, I'm finally in the vlog, man. I don't let my brother.
Love my dog, I don't wanna talk. They really with me, or they want me dead. Fuck up with his head, fucking with these bitches. It's just with my bread. Really will, but I can make it mine if I swat the van. Then my thick.
You lit? How lit you is?
DCTY.
You full.
Gonna live my nigga top, man. Amigos and coochie, nigga.
Never
right.
You're gonna block with the members. And Quan. You're gonna block. It's a vlog. Niggas can really be respectable.
This shit
I lost my nigga, full of pain and I'm an artist, can I paint a picture?
kept my fingers on my block, bitch, I been the latest. Ain't this shit for the game, so how the fuck you in your feelings? I done did it all and left a trail. Dealing with the pressure, reached my hand, no one was there. Flirting with the reap, I had a dinner date with them. They gave my all, and I ain't got nothing left. I just wanna ball with my brothers like I'm stuck. Been trying to outrun my demons, but they everywhere. It ain't been easy, they been gaining on me every step. I got my reasons and they painted on me everywhere. These things everywhere. And I just wanna make things right before
I tried these. I showed y'all the pack before my camera died. But these is so good. Like, I'm at the beach. I know the vlog is probably all over the place, but y'all just follow me. Y'all know we having a good time.
my mind, I got my style to outrun my demons, but they everywhere. It ain't been easy, they been gaining on me every step. I got my reasons and they painted on me everywhere.
Y'all, my voice probably sound crazy, like, because I got a little cold from down here. I don't know. We are outside with it, and y'all know who I got with me. You gotta, oh, my bad. Yeah. Who are you?
Jazz.
Exactly. Like, what? Yeah, it's your girl Jazz. Y'all know to follow her. Y'all know on the social medias. But yeah, y'all, we outside with it. I'm waiting on my girl Smiley Samaya to get here. And we at this little daiquiri bar, just a little outing. But actually, we need to actually find where we finna go. So yeah, I'm gonna get back with y'all when we doing whatever we doing, wherever we going. Y'all just ride with us, just go with us, whatever we doing, just go ahead and tune in. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe right now. Right now, start the video. Before we get into it, just go ahead and like the video right now. Period. So we gonna go ahead and tune in with y'all. You ready? Y'all, so we at the daiquiri bar. You know, somebody over there baking the cake. Who calling me? Who that? Ooh.
It's a baller calling my phone right here.
Oh!
Hello. Smiley, you already know what it is.
Yeah.
To my channel at
Yeah. Period. And we outside. So we at this daiquiri bar. I don't know if y'all can see. It's called North Daiquiri Bar. And yeah. So yeah, we're gonna go inside. See what the vibes is. But this music is playing, so I don't know how I'm gonna do this for real, for real. Oh, come on. So yeah, I'm gonna get back to y'all because literally, like I said, the music is sort of playing, so I don't know. Bye. Yeah, so we're trying to figure out what we finna get. I gotta be extra, extra loud. We're trying to figure out what we finna get because it's all our first time. She's trying to cop out the spot, y'all. Don't let her fool y'all. She be trying to act like she's so scared. But drink like a fish. Yeah. What you scared for? But yeah, and this Samaya. Yeah. Who birthday? My brother. Oh, Samaya. It's not her damn birthday, y'all. Samaya, you're not in it. Hey. Okay, I got my level. That's really what I did it for. It wasn't for the picture. Now you see how now we talking. Yeah, it's the DJ right here. We end up getting the same thing by mistake. Y'all get the first bite. And that's becoming off the top asbestos. Yeah. We back in the car. I probably feel a little blurry. Wipe y'all off a little bit. Yeah, we back. I think I just made them blurry. Yep. Crank me up. Ooh, bye y'all. Yeah, we back. Y'all, we finna play Drunk we still in here. We in. It's on, y'all. Yeah, how we ended up at Winwood, child. Huh? So y'all, we here waiting on our food. I won't lie. Yeah. Oh, yeah, we're waiting on our video tacos. Yeah, I got it right this time. Our video tacos. To be done.
Can I do a mix?
Okay. It's gonna taste good. Whatever you want to do, that tastes good.
Yeah, it's gonna be really good.
Thank you. So y'all, I just got the video tacos. Yeah. Period. We are Saski.
Okay, let me taste it because if this time right, I'm gonna tell you.
Okay, okay.
It's better than I expected.
Cheers.
You're it. You fall in love.
Okay. No. What you say, Jazz? I'm gonna let you go back. It's good. I rated them 8 out of 10. I was about to say 8 out of 10. But yeah, we finna go and try some other stuff and get back with y'all. We ended up at another vendor called Forest Wash. So yeah, we trying to get some more food. We had hibachi, fried rice. The lady don't speak English. You know, we in Miami, this is Lauren. So she gonna use, that's gonna use Google Translate to tell her what we want. So yeah, I'm gonna get back with y'all when we get this done. Okay. We got these strong drinks, bro. Like, these things so strong. When that man said coconut, when he said rum, I was already like, bro, what? Rum? I don't like rum. Literally. My God. The bags are cute. Yeah, we got this Chinese food. I mean, oh my God, it's not Chinese food, but they got the Chinese, anyway, hibachi food. And yeah, I'm sorry, it's a little drink, but the hibachi food, and it look good, not lying. What happened? Mine's kind of melted a little bit. On my soul. Santo Dolce, yeah. All right, y'all, so we're gonna try these. All right, which one you want to try first? I'm scared. I'm saying any, mini, might know. Any, mini, might know. What we got anyway? I don't think we told that lady no coconut one. Taste it, Jazz. I hate coconut. Please. Yeah, so we tried the, what it's called, Fruity Pebble, and it was like a, I give it a 6 out of 10. With the cookies and cream, ice cream, 7.5 out of 10. What you give it, Jazz? She gave it a 6. All right, so now we scared to try this one we got in the middle with cheese, and then we got the Oreo Nutella. Dad's gonna try that one now, so we're gonna try that. Yeah, we got one more. We did not like that Oreo. We got this cheese one left. We're gonna try, y'all. Let's do it, Jazz.